Assalamu alaikum everyone. Just okay. Ji, Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? So Lahore, Peshawar, Karachi, and Faisalabad. So have I missed out anyone? All these cities are there. Okay. Thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much to Ali for inviting me and giving me this privilege. I think जब ये प्रोग्राम 3 एक साल पहले शुरू हुआ था, जो जो नीश ढूंढना चाह रहे थे हम सारे, वो यही थे कि फ्रॉम पेप्सी के एंगल से भी हम लोग म्यूजिक एंड यूथ यूज्ड टू बी समथिंग, क्रिकेट एंड यूथ यूज्ड टू बी समथिंग, बट रियल सब्सटैंटिव लेट्स से मोर देन आर्ट्स के अलावा लोगों की वैल्यू में क्या जिंदगी में क्या वैल्यू एडिशन हो सकती है. आई मस्ट से दैट बेंजी एंड अली really were instrumental in coming up with this concept, which is unique right now. I think लोगों का बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस टेक्निकल स्किल्स के ऊपर होता है, कंप्यूटर साइंस, इंजीनियरिंग, वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग, बट रियली जो कुछ लाइफ स्किल्स होती हैं जो जो आपको आगे लेके जाती हैं, हमने पहले बहुत ज़्यादा उसके ऊपर काम नहीं देखा था. And really, I feel very proud that I think over 5,000 graduates have gone out of this program in the last few years. That said, what I want to do today, apart from really congratulating you, is as everybody has shared some of my own learnings in life, since a lot of you are right now at that cusp. लोग आखिरी साल अपने कॉलेज के उसमें हैं, आगे आप जॉब्स ढूंढ रहे होंगे, कुछ ऑलरेडी जॉब्स कर रहे हैं जो करियर्स में आगे जाने की कोशिश कर रहे होंगे. So just a few ideas which I thought if I knew 20 years ago when I was starting out my career. So number one for me is आपका जो करियर है वो कभी भी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं होगी. Your career will never be a straight line. कि जी आज मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं ये जॉब करूंगा, फिर अगले 2 साल बाद मेरी प्रमोशन हो जाएगी, फिर मैं दूसरी जॉब करूंगा, इस तरह मेरी एक साइकिल चलती रहेगी. It's never like that realistically. Realistically what happens is that आपको अपने आप को experiences के ऊपर frequently move करना पड़ता है. I have changed, I think in the last 12 years, मुझे अब पेप्सिको में हो गए हैं, मैंने 6 से 7 डिफरेंट रोल्स किए हैं 12 साल के अंदर, और हर उस पे एक रिस्क लेना पड़ा है, क्योंकि कंफर्ट जोन से मैं कभी पब्लिक अफेयर्स के अंदर होता था, कभी सेल्स में होता था, कभी ब्रांड्स में होता था, फाइनेंस का भी आइडिया हुआ. सो वन ऑफ माय लर्निंग्स रियली इज अपस्किल योरसेल्फ ऑलवेज. ये ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी हो जाएगी, ये खत्म हो जाएगा प्रोग्राम आज का, बट अपस्किलिंग योरसेल्फ, एंड इट हैज टू बी अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट. इट कैन नॉट बी कि जी मैं किसी प्रोग्राम मिलेगा मुझे तो मैं कर लूंगा. आई थिंक दैट्स द स्पिरिट जो अमल ने भी इनकलकेट आपके अंदर करने की कोशिश की है throughout this thing. I think the other very important one for me is, I think moving on from that, is self-awareness. बहुत सारे लोग, मैं आपको सच्ची बात बताऊं, very few people are self-aware. We think that we are self-aware. And imagine if you were to believe that you are not self-aware, then half the time we'd be lying to ourselves. And उस चीज में से किस तरह निकलना है is a very key component of life. अमूमन हम सवाल करते हैं कि जी why am I doing this? Why did this happen to me? In my life, I found it much easier, because why is more like a rear view mirror. Now it's good to reflect, it's good to see what happened, but if you overanalyze it, data suggests it can even be cause more anxiety and more depression even at times. So in my life, what helped me was the word what. Rather than keep asking why did this happen to me, I would ask what did I want out of this, or what is it. And I can share you examples, some very serious ones. Friend of mine had cancer, and there was a time period जहां बार मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है, एक self pity के आप एंगल में चले जाते हैं. But when she started thinking that okay, what is important for me, why did this happen is not the big question, but what do I need to do to get out of this is when it pushes you forward. Similarly, I had a friend who used to hate his job कि यार मुझे बिल्कुल नौकरी ये पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन rather than just sitting there doing nothing about it, once he started questioning okay, what is it that I want, what is our circumstances that suit me, how will I get out of this, that is when you start moving forward really. I think third thing that I have learned over time is authenticity. Be real. Be just na Ali baat kar rahe the कि it's very difficult being real in today's world. You have so many voices telling you what you should be like, and it takes courage and determination to be yourself and be authentic. But trust me, you will feel it yourself that when you are being authentic yourself, things will happen for you automatically because आपकी genuineness जो है उसमें से निकल के आ रही होगी. I think the other thing which is very, very important, again, which I have learned is a skill which I call grace under fire, because everybody will have fire under their feet at different points in time. And that really for me is the difference between a powerful mind and a powerless mind. And that you guys should look at, read about it, read what is a powerful mind and what is a powerless mind. How do winners think? What is the thin line between confidence and arrogance? All of those winners generally are more assertive, they are more optimistic, they think more about whatever the challenge they think they will do it. But sometimes talk is cheap as well. So you have to really, really balance. And ये चीजें ज़्यादा टेस्ट होती हैं जब आप प्रेशर में होते हैं. आपकी असल जो पर्सनालिटी है वो उभर के आती है या नीचे जाती है प्रेशर के अंदर. So put yourself under pressure. Analyze how you were under pressure whenever you were put under pressure. And that, I think, is one of my biggest learnings over time. And lastly, I think more of a professional advice, which we don't do a lot, I feel, is really cultivate your networks. I think sometimes हम सोचते हैं कि यार ये पता नहीं अच्छी चीज़ है, ताल्लुक बनाना अच्छा है या नहीं है. कोई कहेगा नहीं यार ये तो कोई सिफारिश के थ्रू ये चीज़ हो गई है. But reality of the matter is your networks across your life, throughout your life, it is human nature that people who know you better will probably end up trusting you better. So there has to be conscious effort both internally, आपकी अपनी organizations में हैं, इदारों में हैं, जहाँ भी हैं, आप वहाँ भी अपने networks बनाएं, बल्कि आप अपने इदारों से बाहर जाके भी अपने networks बनाएं. And you know, universities and colleges are great places to do that. And now that you transition into companies, I can tell you there are many, many forums where you will be able to do that. And just as I wrap it up, honestly, you know, really, really proud to be here. Congratulations once again. I think this is one of the best programs that we work with Amal on. And I hope that with some of the internees that we had as well, we were able to give you a very good insight into how both personally and professionally one can work. So thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.